Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install YouTube app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. To do that, you want to simply head over to YouTube, and as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome here. And once I'm on youtube.com, you will see in the browser, depending on which browser you're currently using, of course, but you will see a little option here at the top that give you the option to install YouTube. So this is within the Google Chrome, of course, and it shows me here. If I click on this, it's going to say install, and that's going to install it as an app. Alternatively, I could also click the three dots here in the upper right, then scroll down a bit and you will see cast, save and share, and you'll be able to find this in any browser as well. So you'll see cast, save and share, and you can install YouTube as an app right here. Now I'm going to show you as well. For example, let's pick another browser. I'm going to open up Edge as an example because I'm going to show you that it actually works for any browser that you currently have open. So if I head over to youtube.com as well, let me show you. You will see that on this page, while I'm on YouTube, you'll see the pop-up here, for example in Edge, that shows the app right here, and it says app available. You click there, it's going to show that you can install YouTube as an app on your PC as well. And you can click the three dots as well, and here you'll have the option that you can also install it as an app. It is slightly different, so you want to go ahead and just go down to where it says more tools, and if you hover over that, you'll have apps and you will see YouTube and install YouTube right here, and you can click on that and install YouTube directly in your browser. So let's jump back to Chrome and show you exactly how that works. And as you can see, I'm on YouTube. I click this icon in the upper right here and just click install, and you'll see right there that it pops up YouTube, and this is the YouTube app. If you look at my taskbar, you can see it as an app. And if I close that as well, let me just close, you can see it on my desktop as well, that it is there as an app on my PC. And just to give you a little bit more context and a little bit more proof that this is an app on your computer, you can click, for example, in Windows 11, you can click it here and click start and type in YouTube, and you will see YouTube app appear here. Alternatively, you can also right click or go to your add and remove programs. In this case, I'm going to say install apps, and you will see right here that if I start to type in YouTube, you will see that YouTube is there as an app, and I can click the three dots and even uninstall YouTube from my PC, and that's it. I will uninstall it and it's delete from my desktop, and it's also delete from within my PC as an app. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.